What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This is a digital weight scale. Spoiler alert, they pretty much blast everything that's on here. So it's one of those items where they ship it and the box says exactly what it is. So this is from Renpho. I decided that I need to get a new weight scale. The one that I have is not reliable, I guess because I've used it so much, because I'm in the middle of a weight loss journey. This shipped from Lexington, Kentucky. I don't know, I guess it doesn't have a long shelf life. I don't know. But it's got a cool little, whatever that's called, styrofoam stuff. It's got batteries, got some more styrofoam stuff. Comes cellophane wrapped. It's a smart. There's a warranty. It's got some batteries. Looks pretty cool. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other ones. Yeah, like I said, I'm in the middle of a weight loss journey and I'm trying my best to, I don't let the scale run my life, but I do monitor what's going on as best as I can. It's very important that I, maintain this weight loss and get strong and muscle growth and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? So part of it is keeping up to date with what my weight is and not letting it get back out of control like it was at one point. Currently taking the plate and getting the batteries out. If you want to check out some of my other videos, my other unboxings, please feel more than welcome to. Didn't want to slice open the battery pack. I do tons of videos a month. I don't want to say every day because I don't do them every day anymore. But I have thousands of videos if you want to check them out. If you like cool t-shirts, you can go to riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out. After finding your shirts of choice, save $3 or more off every single shirt. That's right, $3 or more off every single shirt. Just got the batteries in there, so this is what it looks like. I'm not going to show you what I weigh. It's re-zeroing and stuff. Yeah, it seems about right. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out my other ones, and let me know what your favorite brand of scale is. I wish you the best, and be safe out there. Have a good day.